Here I've got ELEPHONE C1 Max, and let me show you how to activate safe mode on the following device. So at first tap on power key and hold it for a while, and once you see power off notification, just keep holding this tab, and then you will be able to read the notification about rebooting to safe mode. And if you truly want to activate your device in this mode, click on OK. And now just wait a couple of seconds. That's it. As you can see, now we are in safe mode, and you can see the notification here, so you can use your device with all third-party applications deactivated. Then, whenever you would like to go back to the normal mode with all applications active, smoothly tap on power key and pick reboot. Confirm that you would like to reboot your system now, and after another 30 seconds you will be able to use your device in normal mode. And this is it. As you can see, now you can use your device normally. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.